So actually this week we are going to discuss many things. Today's class is about number systems. In this number systems, okay, why it is important for UPSC, what is the weightage, how to start number systems, what is the best strategy, what are the best topics we have, everything I will tell you. First of all, why number systems is important for UPSC, okay? Why they are asking almost every year about 20 questions. See, look at the weightage. In 2025, they asked 23 questions. In 2024, 21 questions. In 2023, 19 questions. Like this. They are asking questions directly from number systems. Even in other chapters also, they are linked to basics of numbers. So, I can say minimum 20 questions every year you can expect from this topic. Okay. Actually, in UPSC, questioning pattern is always based on concepts plus lot of common sense required, lot of presence of mind is required to crack CSAT paper. This exam is not about speed calculations, this exam is not about formulas, okay, and for them also there is no option. They have to check your means aspirants, okay, basic common sense skills through number systems only. This is the main reason they are focusing on this chapter. If you take compound interest chapter, or if you take mensuration geometry topic, okay, those area of questions based on formulas only. That's why they're not giving more questions from other chapters. But in this chapter, without using formulas, okay, without using formulas I'm saying, without lot of calculations also, you can answer many questions like what is even number plus even number. It is even. Actually, nobody will ask what is even plus even, but that point will be very useful to simplify the questions. Okay. So, what is the main two things in number systems? Okay. I am saying clarity on concepts is important. Okay. It means we have to understand each and every concept first, each and every concept in number systems. There are so many chapters, so many sub chapters, there are so many sub concepts are there. So, we need to discuss them. Maybe one or two formulas also required. Okay. That is one category. Second category is half of the questions will be based on your presence of mind, spontaneity required. I will tell you first two questions. One is based on a basic formula, basic concept. One is based on completely how to use common sense to solve the question. Okay. Look at this question now. Question number 1. Consider the following statements. What is the unit digit in sum of first 99 natural numbers? They are saying it is 0. We have to find it is correct, whether it is correct or false. Okay. How to answer this question normally? Still the problem is there. Chalo, look at this question. Just give me 2 minutes. They are resolving the issue. Unit digit in sum of first 99 natural numbers is 0. Actually, to solve this question, what is required? We should know how to find sum of the numbers. What is the basic formula? What is the basic formula for this concept? Sum, for example, if you take numbers like this up to n, sum formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, na? N into n plus 1 by 2. So, first question, 99 natural numbers. It is n value is 99, 99 plus 1 is 100 by 2. 99 into 100 by 2 is 50. 9 into 0, you will get 0. Okay, see, exact sum is not required, but we are getting 0 as last digit. So 0 is the answer, means first statement is correct. What about second one? Unit digit in the sum of first 99 whole numbers is 0. See, look at the first statement, they are saying it is natural numbers, but in second example they are saying it is whole numbers. Natural number starts from 1, whole number starts from 0. Okay, so solution for second question is number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. First 99 whole numbers means 0 also counted as one number. Okay, so last number it is 98, not 99. These two are not same questions. Okay, in sum 0 is not required. So 1 to 98 formula n into n plus 1 by 2, n value is 98 now. So 98 into 98 plus 1 is 99 by 2. 98 by 2 is 49. 49 into 99, how much it is? What is 9 into 9? 1 actually. Unit digit in second question, it is 1, not 0. This is the difference between these two questions. Many think these two are same, but every word is important in the question. Natural numbers and whole numbers. So here second question is wrong, first one is correct. It means only one, option C is correct. So guys, voice is clear? So it's not about just answer. Try to understand the question properly, what they are checking. Every word is important. First, before starting the questions, we need to study basic points properly. So what is real number, what is integer, what is fraction, what is natural number, whole numbers, difference between all this. Second thing, okay, sometimes basic formulas are required. Okay, na? Look at this question now. This is completely based on common sense. It's a big number actually. Is divisible by which of the following numbers? This question asked in 2024 CSAT paper. Many thought it is too lengthy. They haven't attempted also. Okay, if you follow reminders concept, reminders formulas, this will take time. But actually that much not required. In fundamentals of number systems, we will learn these concepts. What is even number plus even number? Normally it is even a what is even number plus odd number? What is even number plus odd number? Odd number, very good. Just 2-3 points. Any odd number, if it is divided by even number, my question is, will you get remainder is equal to 0? Take any odd number, for example 3. 3 divided by 2, what is the remainder? 1, it is not equal to 0. You take any odd number, if odd number is divided by even number, you will never get remainder equal to 0. Why these points are important for this question? I want you to try this question in this way. Use these 2 points.
2 for 3 is equal to 8 of 3 for 9 hard of 9.
To solve this question, no formula required. Even reminders concepts also not required. What is first number? Is it even? Yes, it is even. Very good. Second number? Odd. So whatever the result, but it is odd number. This is the first point. This odd number is never divided by even, never divided by even. It means remainder is not equal to 0. If you look at the options, okay, 2, 3, 37, 3, 37, 2, in all these numbers, 2 is even, right? It means this number, this given number is not divided by 2. Simple logic. Where it is given in option B, it is divided by 3 and 37 but not 2. But not 2 given only in option B. Where else it is given? Nowhere. It means option B is the right answer. That's all. In option B only they are saying it is not divided by 2. This is the answer. Okay. Actually they have a scope to terrorize you by giving this like big powers through number systems. But you know, we have a different way. We are solving in different way with fundamentals. This is what required for UPSC. Okay. That's why number systems is always interesting, important, logical. Done? Now I'll give you what is the syllabus in number systems. Okay, with or without coaching you can study. With some best examples I'll explain. Okay. So for this chapter, fundamentals required. First of all, before solving any question, we should know what is natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, fractions, rational numbers, irrational numbers, real numbers. Okay. In first chapter, please complete all this basic classification of numbers tree. Here you can discuss, you can study what is prime number, composite number, even numbers, odd numbers. These points, what is even plus even, what is even number divided by odd number, what is the remainder, all these things you study here. Okay. See, this question asked in CDS exam. There are 3 consecutive natural numbers where their product is equal to sum. What they are saying, 3 consecutive natural numbers where their product is equal to their sum. They are asking how many such possibilities are there. How many such possibilities are there? This question asked in CDS exam few years back. First you complete this. I'll give you one more question, almost the same they asked in CSAT exam, but many did mistake. I'll tell you where we are doing mistakes. 3 consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive numbers means side by side, adjacent numbers, where their product equal to their sum. How many such possibilities are exist? Options are like this: only 1. Second option, only 2. Third option, only 3. Option D, no such possibilities exist. Any answers? 1. Excellent. 1 is the answer. It means first example, like if you take 1, 2 and 3, these 3 are consecutive numbers. What is the sum? It is equal to 6. What is their product? It is also equal to 6. So basic condition satisfied, right? According to question, sum must be equal to their product. Satisfied. This, taking one example, thought process, okay, this is required, spontaneity skills required. So answer is only 1, option A. If you take big numbers like this 2, 3, 4, their product will be even bigger. 2 plus 3 plus 4, sum is 9, product is 24. So this combination won't work. Only first case, only 1, option A. Okay, every year normally we say previous year questions are important, but there are some people who remembers standard questions answers also. But it is not correct way. See, in CSAT exam, I think in 2022, they asked this question. 3 consecutive whole numbers, 3 consecutive integers where their product is equal to their sum. See what it is. There are 3 consecutive integers where their product is equal to sum. Integers they are saying. This question asked in CSAT exam. Now almost it is same. Okay, you take 1 minute time, but tell me right answer. One answer came 3. Okay. So what is the change between this and previous question? Natural numbers, it is in previous question. Now it is integers. So integer starts from minus infinite to plus infinite. Negative numbers and 0 also included in integers. Okay. So it is like previous question only. First set this 1, 2, 3, that is fine. That particular year few answered only 1, which is wrong answer. Second case, what about minus 1, minus 2, minus 3? What is their sum? Minus 6. What is their product? Minus 6. Sum equal to product. Condition satisfied. It means one more combination we have. Few answered only 2. That is also wrong answer. Third case, minus 1, 0, plus 1. What is minus 1 plus 0 plus 1? Sum equal to 0. What is their product? It is also 0. Again this condition satisfied. It means there is a third case also. So total 3 such possibilities exist. Stop here only. So answer only 3. Because option D is no such combination exist. If option D is given like this, more than 3 cases are possible, then we hold for 2-3 seconds, we think about other cases also. But okay, other cases are not there. If you take big numbers, the product will become bigger. Only 3 cases, option C is the right answer. Small change, natural numbers to integers. So every word is important. Every word is important. Read the questions properly. Even if it is single line question, take 30 seconds and 40 seconds minimum. Try to understand the question first. These things we discuss in first chapter. Okay. Go to next chapter now, second chapter. Here we discuss divisibility rules, means which number is divided by which number. Say for example, big number is there, whether it is divided by 11, whether it is divided by 18. We will discuss everything here. Remind us concepts and squares and cubes. Normally, what is squares and cubes?
3 square 5 1.
Squares and cubes up to 30 squares we need to remember. Okay, that is important. What is the definition of perfect square number? What do you mean by square? If a number is multiplied by another number means number itself, same number. Number is multiplied by itself. It is called perfect square. Okay? Especially last digits are important. See, in perfect squares, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 6. Normally, perfect squares ends with the, ending with means unit digit. Maybe 4, maybe 9, maybe 6, 5 square is 5, 6 square 6, okay, already covered, 7 square 9, already covered, 8 square 64, 4 already covered, 9 square is 81. These are the last digits in perfect square numbers. What is 10 square? 100. 2 zeros. 1, 4, 9, 5, 6 and even number of zeros will come in the end of the perfect square number. What is this even number of zeros? You can see 2 zeros, you can see 4 zeros, but you will never see 3 zeros. See, 1000 is not a perfect square number. If you take 40 square, this becomes 1600, 2 zeros will be there. If you take 100 square, you will see 4 zeros. You can see 10 zeros, you can see 20 zeros also, but only even number. 3 zeros, 1 zero, 5 zeros are not possible, they will never come. These points are very, very important. Based on this, they asked one question, look at this. Excellent question, this one. Which of the following 78 numbers can't be a perfect square? Many thought it is too lengthy question. They don't know how to solve the question also. These basics are enough. Try on these basics, okay? Which are not perfect squares. First look at the third number at least. Forget about what is x, y, z values. It is impossible to find them. They are not required also. Look at third number, C. What is the unit digit? 0. 1 0. 1 0 means odd number actually. Odd number of zeros. 1 0, 3 zeros, 5 zeros never come. Only even number of zeros, 2 zeros or 4 zeros or 10 zeros, even number of zeros possible. It means third number is definitely not a perfect square number. So before answering option C, where number C is involved in other options, look at option D. In option D, all the above means this third number also included in option D. So don't answer option C now. It means we have to check other numbers also. A and B cross verification is required. What is next? Okay, let us take second number, B. What is B? 2xyz 175. What is the last digit? 5. Okay. We discussed this 5 square is real value is 25. What is 15 square? 225. What is 25 square? 625. Now tell me, what is your observation? Okay, if number is ending with 5, its square also ends with 5. But what about last but one digit? it is 2. It means if a number is ending with 5, then their squares always ends with 25. Okay, now their squares always ends with 25. What is there in the second number? Last two dates. 75. This is not possible. It means option B, sorry, second number also not a perfect square number. So far, we are able to know, we are able to find second number and third number are not perfect square numbers. Okay? If you look at the options, you can answer option D directly without thinking anything about first number. Because here only it is involved, B and C. Where is B and C exist in options? Nowhere. It means option D. In same way, you can prove first number also not a perfect square number. This way they'll ask questions. So we'll discuss divisibility rules, reminders, all these things here. This is one of the important chapter in numbers. Next, third chapter. What is third chapter? Indices and surds. Indices means, for example, 2 power 40 is multiplied by 2 power 30. What is the result? When bases are same, normally we add powers. This topic is called indices. So there are certain rules how to deal with the larger powers. This topic called indices, small topic. Maybe 1 or 2 questions you can expect from this. Look at this question. They asked this one in 22 paper. Which is smallest? 2 power 40, 3 power 21, 4 power 18, 8 to the power of 12. Again, this question is based on common sense only. Okay. Try this. If bases are same, bases means this value. Like 2 power 40 is there, 2 power 39 is there, 2 power 50. Anyone can answer this. Which is smallest, which is greatest. But here all the bases are different. Okay. I'll give you a hint. First, try to convert this option C, option D into 2 powers. How to convert this? You know 4 means 2 square. 4. 8 means 2 power 3. So you can convert this. First convert to 2 power something. You get some idea. So this 4 is 2 square. Power 18 means 18 2s are 36. It is 2 power 3. 8 means power 12. 12 3s are 36. First number is 2 power 40. Second number is 3 power 21. Chalo. You have these 4 numbers now. What is next? Now onwards only sense matters. It means they given 2 same numbers in option C and in option D. Both are same, right? Option C 2 power 36. Option D also 2 power 36. Say, just assume if answer is 2 power 36 in this question, which option you will answer? Option C or D? UPSC won't give 2 answers in the options. It is not a local test series by any institute. They won't do any mistake. Okay. So they won't give two answers in the options. It means your answer is not there from these two options. Just eliminate them. This is the first step. Okay. Now look at option A. What is option A? 2 power 40. You are saying 2 power 36 is not an answer. That's why it is eliminated. 2 power 36 is already less than 2 power 40, right? What is option A? 2 power 40. We are comparing option A with this C and D. So 2 power 40 is greater than 2 power 36. We already eliminated 2 power 36. That too question is about smallest number. Then why answer will be 2 power 40? You already eliminated smaller number. 2 power 36 smaller than 2 power 40. Yeah? Is it smaller or bigger? Smaller. We already eliminated. So how your answer will be 2 power 40? Because 2 power 40 is bigger than this. It means it is also eliminated because question is about smallest. Then option B only left. This is your answer. We don't have any mechanism to compare 2 power 40 and 3 power 21. There is no way to compare these two numbers. We are able to eliminate all these three options. We left with only option B. That's why we are answering option B. This is the only way to solve this question. Okay, clear? Which one? Option A and B, how to solve this? Tell me. 2 power 40 is very big number. 3 power 21 is very big number. There are certain conditions. For example, 2 power 75, 3 power 50. You can compare these two. How I'll tell you. 75 and 50, what is highest common factor? Highest common factor. 25 or 25. So you can write like this. 2 power 3 power 25. 3 square power 25. Because 25 3s are 75. 25 2s are 50. Now 2 power 3 is 8. 8 to the power of 25. 3 square is 9. 9 to the power of 25. So which is smaller? This one. It means first number. But in this case 2 power 40 and 3 power 21, what is highest common factor between these two? These two numbers are co-prime. No common factors exist. Highest common factor is 1 itself. It means you cannot simplify like this. Okay, there is only way to eliminate the options. Then only you can answer this question. So this type of things we'll discuss in third chapter. Next important chapter is fourth one called cyclicity or finding the unit digits. Okay, they'll ask big products like this 11, 12, 13, 19, 18. What is the unit digit in this product? What is the method? Very simple concept also. 1 into 2, 2. Then this 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 9, 54 means 4. 4 into 8, 32. Means 2 is the answer. This is one category. Simple numbers multiplied. They'll ask what is the unit digit. Second category is they'll ask in larger powers also. Say 7 to the power of 204. What is the unit digit in this? These things we discuss in this chapter. Very important for exam. Okay, I'll show you just 1 or 2 sample questions. Look at this, very recently asked. What is the unit digit in this product? 1, 3, so on like this, last one 997 and 999. What is the unit digit in this product? Okay, before answering this, I'll tell you one important note. Anyway, I mean, in the class we discuss each and every point, right? 5 into any even number always produces 0 as the last digit, right? 5 fours are 20. 5 into 22, 110, 0. 5 into any even number always gives 0. What about 5 into any odd number? 5 into take any odd number always gives 5. Okay? While copying the options to PPT, we made a mistake here. Actually, options are like this: 0, 5, some 2, something 1. 5 into any odd number. For example, 165 into 119 into 132. This is given. This number is ending with 5. This is even. 5 into even. 5 into even 0. 0 into anything 0. This will give 0. If 5 is given in the question, then it is very simple. Answer may be either 0 or 5. But where is 5 given in the series? Yes, it is given. They are consecutive odd numbers. Odd numbers. Odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Like this, last number is 999. All these odd numbers multiplied. Whenever odd numbers are multiplied, 5 will be there. Okay? 5 into other odd numbers, always 5. What is your answer? Option B. Hardly it takes just 5 seconds or 10 seconds to answer this question. Clear, everyone? Look at this one. They asked in some EPF exam, I think few years back actually. What is the unit digit in the product of all the prime numbers in first 300 natural numbers? Excellent question. Try this. No online answers. 5. Is it 5?
0.
What are the prime numbers?
2.
2. First number itself even. Only even prime is 2. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, so on. Last one, no need to know, not required also. This 5 and 2 enough to answer this question. One is even number, other is 5. What is 5 into even? 0. 0 into any numbers? 0. So what is the answer? Option A, 0. Okay? Next chapter, fifth one, it is called number of zeros concept. Okay? This is also very, very important. What is this number of zeros? For example, 16 into 25, these two numbers multiplied. What is multiplication? Here it is 400. This last two zeros. Okay, the last question like this: if these two numbers are multiplied, product is ending with how many zeros? Okay, this are simple question. We can multiply these two, but multiplication is not right way, because they will give big values also. 16 power 100, 25 power 20. How many zeros will be there? They'll ask this question. So these concepts we will discuss in 5th chapter. Don't neglect this. You study this with or without coaching. Every year we are getting one or minimum one question from this. Okay. Next, factorization, another important chapter. This year they asked 4 to 5 questions in 2025 paper. What is factorization? For example, 1, 2, 3, so on up to 15, all these numbers multiplied is equal to, they'll say 3 power m into some n. This question asked in exam. What is highest power of, highest value of m? In this product, what is the highest value of m? Like, how many 3's are there in this expression? This is the question. How many 3's are there? Manual counting is okay. Just 1 to 15 numbers. You can do manual counting also. How many 3's will be there? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Here only 1. 2 3's are 1. 3 square. 3 square means? No. Okay. 2 3's. 3 4's are only 1. 3 5's are only 1. How many total? 6. So m value is 6. This way. But we discuss some shortcuts also. Why? Because manual counting is not possible always. If it is 150, means 150 factorial given, you cannot count like this topic. And in CDS exam, CDS questions are always interesting and they will give the hint for the future questions in CSAT. This year they asked, not this year, last year I think, some number given. It is n value, some 2 power 4, 3 square, 5 power 4 something. How many factors are there? This type of questions we will discuss here. Finding the number of factors. All are simple things only, hardly it takes 1 minute. No need to skip these topics. They are easy concepts. If you practice them once, you can easily answer all the questions. We already discussed this question. Reminders in larger powers. This type of models. 2 power 192 is divided by 6. What is the remainder? Even if you don't know what is the basic formula, we don't have any formula of course here. What is the basic procedure to solve the reminders, to find the reminders? Still you can answer this question. Okay, I'll tell you in different way. What is 2 power 1? It is 2. When 2 is divided by 6, what is the remainder? 2 divided by 6. 2 is smaller number, 6 is bigger number. Actually, this number won't divide this. You left with 2 only. 2 is the answer. If it is 2 square, means 4. 4 divided by 6, what is the remainder? 4. One more example. 2 power 3. 8 divided by 6, remainder is not 8. 8 is bigger than this, normal division only. 8 is divided by 6, 6 ones are 6, remainder is 2. So remainder is 2. 2 power 4, 16 by 6. 16 by 6, 6 2s are 12, remainder is 4. Just we are checking some few 2 powers, okay. Can we answer this question based on this knowledge? You cannot check all the numbers, it is not possible. 2 power 192 is big number. But with the help of these 3-4 examples, you can answer this question. answer may be either 2 or 4. It means your answer is there from option C or D. This is the first point. Next, when you are getting 2, when you are getting 4. When power is even, what is your answer? 4. When power is even, answer is 4. When power is odd, what is the answer? 2. So 2 power 192, is it even or odd? Power is even. If power is even, what is your answer? 4. So 4 is the answer. Option D. So this type of questions we will discuss in reminders concept. In 2023 they asked 3 questions from this particular concept only. 2 questions in 2024. Again 1 or 2 questions, I think 1 question asked in 2025. Every year this is the most repeated model, repeated concept. And one more important chapter called highest common factor and finding least common multiple. Okay. In the last, we will discuss few concepts, miscellaneous concepts. For example, especially this one, counting the page numbers is important. Suppose if you open the book, first page number will be 1, second page backside it is 2, 3, like this. Say last one is 250. What type of questions will get here? Last page number is 250. To print this 250 on page, on the page, okay, how many digits required? Just to print 250, how many digits required? 3 digits, huh? To print 249, how many digits required? Again 3 digits. To print page number 99, how many digits required? 2 digits. So they'll ask, how many digits will be there in total? This is the question. How many digits required to print all these page numbers? What is the concept here? Normally we discuss all these things before the questions, like 1 to 9 are single digit numbers, right? Single digit numbers are 1 to 9. So how many digits there are? 9 numbers, 9 into 1, 9 digits. This is first point. Second point, 10 to 99, all are 2-digit numbers, huh? 10 to 99, all are 2-digit numbers. How many numbers are there 10 to 99? Total? 90 or 89? 90 numbers. 10 to 99, 90 numbers. How to count the numbers? Larger number minus smaller number plus 1. 99 minus 10, 89 plus 1, total 90 numbers. All these 90 numbers are 2 digits. So to print all these 2-digit numbers, in total 92s are 180 digits required, right? This is another point we will note down. After this, 3-digit numbers, 100 to 999, total 900 numbers. Again 900 into 3, 2700 digits required. Okay now? Now question is, say in a book last page number is 250. Last page number is 250. How many digits we used here? Chalo. We'll solve this question. We have to note down step by step. First one, page numbers 1 to 9, 9 digits required. Second one, 10 to 99, 180 digits required. Again, don't start the process from the beginning. You have to remember all this. 180, 9, 2700, okay. Third one, 3-digit number starts from 100, but last one is 250, not 999. 100 to 250, how many pages are there? 100 to 250, it is not 150 pages. Use this. Larger number minus smaller number plus 1. 250 minus 100 plus 1, how much total? 151. Yes, 150 numbers. Oh, sorry, 151 numbers. All are 3-digit numbers, right? So, if you multiply with 3, you will get total digits 453. Add them. 453 plus 180 plus 9. 9 plus 3, 2. 9 plus 5, 4. 642 digits we used to print all these page numbers from 1 to page number 250. This is very, very important model in this. So, whatever the miscellaneous topics are pending, you are going to learn in this 9th chapter. Okay? If you break number systems like this, you are going to study each and every concept properly. So, you can answer maximum 16 to 70, not maximum, out of 20 or 23 questions, you can easily answer 16 questions, 17 questions. Maybe 3-4 questions are too lengthy sometimes, we can skip them. Just note down this question as homework for tomorrow's. Based on the same concepts. What is it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this up to 100. It means first 100 natural numbers written in order. First 100 natural numbers written in particular order. How many digits are there? This is the question. Based on this concept, whatever the concept we discussed here, please try to apply this, you will get the answer. Here only second question. What is the remainder if it is divided by 16? It is your work. What is the divisibility rule of 16? Try to find. We know divisibility rule of 4, last 2 digits are enough. Divisibility rule of 8, last 3 digits are enough. Like this, what is the rule for 16? Try to get the answer. This question asked in CDS exam, this question asked in CSAT exam. A combined both together asking this. Okay na? This is today's homework. So, before starting the number systems, prerequisite is you have to do few assignments like tables, especially this one is important. Tables up to 20, please complete them. 20 by 20 table means it is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 20. In this vertical also 1, 2, 3 up to 20. If you take third, 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, like this 3 into 20, 60. 20 by 20 means 400 values. You have to fill this 400 values by using this table. Maybe first day it takes half an hour time. Just practice for 5-6 days. You will become good in basic multiplications. How they are useful in exams. Factorization, one important chapter I told you this year 4 questions they asked. Suppose question is like this. This is one of the standard question in factorization. Factors of 1560. What are the factors of 1560? If you do like this, like dividing by 2, all this, it takes a lot of time. But if you practice this table, what is 12 into 13? 156, huh? It means automatically you will get idea, array it is 12 into 13 into 10. Within 10 or 20 seconds, you will know all the factors. This way, this table is very useful. When I suggest this, actually many laugh about this assignment. But when I studied for CAT exam long back, my teacher gave this assignment first. I completed maybe in after 5-6 days. I got speed. So it was very useful in my simplifications. Maybe okay, others also important, but this one is high priority. Okay, chalo. This is today's class. What is tomorrow class? Tomorrow topic is day 2, counting and logic traps in UPSC previous year questions. See, you know, counting chapter is based on permutations and combinations. From this chapter also they are asking 5 to 6 questions. We will learn this one, how it is related to number systems, what type of questions they are asking based on interlinking counting with numbers, how we are doing mistakes. I will explain everything in tomorrow class. Every day, maybe not half an hour, 40-45 minutes I will take. Okay, chalo. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Chalo, see you tomorrow then.